Commuters in Pasay City now have a way of knowing whether tricycle drivers are vaccinated against COVID-19 or not. Pasay City Mayor Emi Calixto Rubiano had stickers placed on tricycles. Calixto Rubiano led the initial placement of stickers with Tricycle and Pedicab Franchising and Regulatory Office Head A. Sevilla. The Lady Mayor explained the move is a way for passengers to feel safe about riding tricycles. It will also help ensure that drivers are following COVID-19 health and safety protocols. If they are fully vaccinated, drivers of tricycle with stickers also get a bonus. The driver is entitled to a raffle ticket from the mayor. The prizes up for grabs include a tricycle, 25,000 pesos cash, mountain bikes, and Android smartphones.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.